welcome to my channel. My name is Thrifty Crafty Queen, and today I will be tidying up this area and cleaning the refrigerator out. Normally before I start cooking, especially for the holidays, I like to clean out my refrigerator, throw away stuff. Again, I tell my children all the time to clean up, do their chores, but I have come to the realization that kids will only do what they do. They will never do it like I would want it. So I like to go in from time to time and, like I said, just clean it out, take out all the drawers, take out everything, and just clean stuff. I have some dishwashing liquid. I have some the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. I also have some Clorox, and like I said, I'm just going to take out everything before Christmas. That way, when I cook for Christmas, I can cook with a clean slate, because I cannot cook in a toe up, messed up, nasty area. And yeah, so if that is something that you would like to see, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure that your notifications are on so that you never miss a video. And also comment down below if you have been here before. Hashtag Warrior Squad with the yellow heart. And if you are new, comment down a sunflower. Okay. Comment down below a sunflower so I can properly greet you. I was supposed to be resting today, but I said I rested enough, and I just really want this kitchen together, so when I do cook, we won't have these issues. I won't feel like I'm out of place. So I am going to show you my sink area, and I'm going to show you what the refrigerator looks like. Disclaimer, I do not have the perfect life. I don't have the pretty white walls. This is what I got. So what you see is what you get. I don't stay in a mansion, and I don't have a white picket fence. I have a busy street and a home. So again, let's get into this. All right, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, we already took out the ham. They just, when my family put stuff in here, they just put stuff in here. You got mustard all over the place. So this is just like, what? So I'm gonna get all of this clean and taken care of. Like I said, with maybe some hot, soapy, bleached up water, and get that together and take out everything. And yeah, so that's what the refrigerator looks like. This is what my counter space looks like. I did have the microwave over here. I did move it because I'm going to need the space, so when I cook, I can have this extra counter space. My iPad, I'm going to put that up there because I'm going to use that for music, so to keep me together. I'm going to wash up these dishes, put up the dishes. I'm going to try to clean out the inside. I cleaned on top of the stove last night, but I'm going to get inside the stove because it's nasty, and when I cook, everything smells like it's burning, so that means I need to clean it. So I'm going to do that today as well. Clean down my cabinets and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, I did pick up me some meal portion containers. I do want some from Amazon, but I settled for these. So I'm going to get back on to trying to meal prep, trying to eat correctly, because I've been stressed and I've just been eating again. So I'm trying to get back on what I was doing and doing my walking as well. So I got those from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, so like I said, this is what we got. I got to get rid of the trash and do my floors and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is what we got. And yeah, so let's get to making us some dishwater. So a quick interruption. We just got their lunches from school. So they actually brought more than they would usually bring. So I have to go through this, separate it, and put it in the refrigerator properly that I am cleaning. I got the two bottom drawers down there clean. I did do the door over here, so everything is back in here clean and sanitized, and yeah. So like I said, I don't have a Whirlpool refrigerator and all that kind of stuff, so we starting off baby steps. But like fruit and stuff, it drips down there, so I'm gonna get down there and clean that up. I'm going to take out all of this old food that they left in here that they're not eating, and put the new stuff in here, separate the new stuff so it won't just be thrown in here any kind of way. But yeah, so I hope you all are enjoying so far. I hope this will encourage you to get in your refrigerator, get that old food out, and clean. Alright, so I'm going to keep going, and yeah. So I am done cleaning the refrigerator out. All shelves have been cleaned. I have rearranged the shelves. I have put the food up that goes right here. I'm going to separate the school food and put my ham and my other stuff back in here like I wanted. So yeah, and I don't know how long he is going to stay, but I have a son here.
Hello.
He's probably going to be passing me things to put in here. So, and I am going to put baking soda in here. When I was living with my mom, I was told that baking soda keeps out odors in your refrigerator. So I have a box of baking soda. I'm just gonna put it in there, and now I am just going to start adding stuff to my shelves and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, I pretty much, you can slide me a box on that. I pretty much got rid of the old stuff, and like I said, they got school lunch, so some of this stuff I'm not going to put in here, like cauliflower. They don't eat cauliflower, so if I know they are not going to eat it, I'm not going to put it in here, because that's what happened last time. They just put stuff in here and they knew they wasn't going to eat it. So the goal is to
not put stuff that is not needed in the refrigerator.
Right. So while he's here, I'm probably going to ask him, do they want it? Do they know they're going to eat it? If he knows they're not going to eat it, it's going to be tossed. Alright. So I'm going to speed past this part. And that'll be it for today. Like I said, I'm going to get the rest of the stuff off my counters, wipe the counters down and all that kind of stuff. And like I said, that'll be the end of this video. I have some other stuff I need to do, but of course I'm not going to vlog that. So, like I said, I hope this gives you encouragement to clean out your refrigerator, declutter your refrigerator. And yeah, so I will see y'all with my final goodbyes. Alright, y'all, I am back. So this is what it looks like when we get the school food. My ham is back there, and I just filled up as much as I could in that in those drawers. This spot, I am going to mop my kitchen, but that's gonna be later on tonight because my family is still up and walking, and I don't like to mop when they up and walking. So, and this is the door. So like I said, it's pretty jammed packed, but y'all will be amazed at how fast this goes because my kids, they eat all day. So yeah, so let me take y'all closer. Y'all guys, we got some orange juice, some fruit cups, some meat, some eggs, some more fruit. Like I said, I just put the other stuff in here: grapes, tomatoes, cheese. Like I said, to make sure they have food to eat. That little chicken stuff back there is good. My ham back there, my celery. I filled these up with all the things, and that's all the milk. So I definitely am super grateful for the bags that we get. And yeah, so like I said, I am going to clean my floor, but that's going to be after they go to sleep and all of that stuff. That over there, I'm gonna have to re-clean this out because they do the little baskets. That is where their cereal goes, and like I said, I'm just going to finish tidying up and wiping down stuff. And yeah, like I said, I am going to use these when I eat my food now, so I can proportion my food out better. And yeah, and that's it. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I appreciate y'all for watching. And if you stay to the end of this vlog, I super appreciate you for staying to the end. And yeah, so again, I will see y'all next time, and happy Vlogmas.